Hey, good morning, Math 7. All right, we got two cons today to do today. First one, constant of proportionality from tables. Hey, it sounds all confusing and tricky, but it's actually quite simple. Here's all you do to figure this one out. Figure out how much your y's are changing. Notice it went from 7 to 10, so it went up 3. And then how much your x's are changing. We're going from 4 to 2, it went up 2. So we simply take 3, the y difference, divided by 2, the x difference, and we get our constant of proportionality. Okay, well, this one doesn't match this one, so it can't be A. So let's see, going from 2.4 to 5.4, it went up 3. Going from 4 to 9, it went up 5. So going up 3, up 5, that one equals 0.6. 0.6. Hey, it looks like this one's correct, but I always like to do them all and make sure. Going from 2 to 6 is up 4. Going from 3 to 9 is up 6. So that one is up 4, up 6. Nope, that one doesn't quite match. It's close, but not quite. So it's letter B for this one. Let's do another one. All right, we've got this one. Which one has a constant of proportionality of 1/4? Well, let's see here. Going from 2 to 2.5, remember we always do the y first, is 0.5. And from 8 to 10 is going up 2, so we simply do the 0.5 divided by 2 is 0.25. Hey, isn't 1/4 the same as 0.25? Oh, it is. Hey, it looks like we have our answer, but again, I like checking these. Going from 1 to 2 on the second one goes up 1, goes up 3. See, 1 divided by 3 is 0.3 repeating. That's not correct. We kind of figured it wouldn't be. Then this one, going from 1.5 to 2, it looks like it's going up 0.5. Going from 6 to 7, going up 1. So 0.5 divided by 1 is 0.5. That doesn't equal either. So yes, it was letter A. And that's how you do the first one. Now, second one, very similar. Constant of proportionality from tables with equations. Ooh, it's really not that difficult, guys. You don't have to worry too much about the equation. We are still doing the same thing. Our y value went from 22 to 77. Again, we take our y divided by our x. Our x went from 2 to 7, so we're taking 55 divided by 5 is 11. So 11 is our answer. Yeah, just that simple. Let's try another one here. Okay, again, we have to do our y divided by the x. The y's went up 2, the x's went up 8. So we take 2 divided by 8, or in this case, I'm going to simplify it to 1/4 and just keep it in fraction form. I could have put 0.25, or I could put 1/4. It would have worked either way. Hey, that's all we got going for it, guys. This took 3 minutes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.